Hello everyone, welcome to Northline. I'm Amir. We are taking a detailed look at NVIDIA Corporation. Specifically, we are dissecting their first quarter fiscal year 2027 revenue breakdown. Every metric we cover is sourced directly from their latest SEC filings. We will ground this analysis in the actual financial statements, examining the business quality, competitive positioning, and long-term capital allocation driving the numbers. Let's dive in. NVIDIA has firmly established itself as the undisputed leader in accelerated computing and artificial intelligence. The company designs and sells GPUs that power everything from gaming and professional visualization to the massive data centers that train today's most powerful AI models. In first quarter fiscal year 2027, NVIDIA reported another quarter of exceptional growth. Total revenue reached approximately $81.6 billion. This represents a strong demand across their core markets, particularly in artificial intelligence and hyperscale computing. Let's break down exactly where this revenue came from. First, we look at revenue by customer headquarters location. The United States continues to dominate, accounting for the vast majority of NVIDIA's revenue. In this quarter, it contributed around $64 billion, or roughly 78% of the total. Taiwan came in second, with about $12 billion, representing 15% of revenue. This is largely driven by NVIDIA's close relationship with TSMC and other key partners in the semiconductor supply chain. China contributed $4.5 billion, while other countries made up the remaining $1.3 billion. What stands out here is the heavy concentration in the United States and Taiwan. While this reflects NVIDIA's strong positioning in the AI ecosystem, it also highlights meaningful geographic concentration risk that we will discuss later. Let's examine revenue by market platform. Hyperscale customers, the large cloud providers, accounted for $38 billion, or 46% of total revenue. This segment continues to grow rapidly as companies build out massive AI training clusters. The AI clouds, industrial, and enterprise category was almost as large, contributing $37 billion, also 46%. This shows that demand is not just coming from the biggest hyperscalers, but also from a broad range of enterprise and industrial applications. Edge computing, while smaller at $6.4 billion, remains an important growth area. Overall, this breakdown clearly shows that the AI-related demand is the primary driver of NVIDIA's current growth. Finally, let's look at NVIDIA's reportable segments. The compute and networking segment absolutely dominated this quarter, generating $75 billion. That's 91% of total revenue. This segment includes data center GPUs, networking products, and everything powering the AI revolution. The graphics segment, which includes GeForce GPUs for gaming and professional visualization, contributed $7.1 billion, or about 9% of revenue. This extreme concentration in compute and networking is one of the most important takeaways from this quarter. It shows how much NVIDIA has successfully shifted its business toward high-margin AI infrastructure. So what are the key takeaways? NVIDIA continues to benefit enormously from the AI boom. Demand remains extremely strong across both hyperscalers and enterprise customers. The compute and networking segment has become the clear engine of the company. However, we must also acknowledge the risks. Geopolitical tension remains a major concern, especially given the concentration of revenue and manufacturing in the United States, Taiwan, and China. Any escalation could significantly impact supply chain. Additionally, competition is increasing. Several hyperscale companies are developing their own custom chips, which could eventually pressure NVIDIA's market share and margins. Valuation is also something investors need to watch carefully. While growth is impressive, the stock trades at a significant premium. That's the complete breakdown of NVIDIA's first quarter fiscal year 2027. If you want more serious corporate finance analysis grounded in financial statements, you are in the right place. If you enjoyed this clear fundamentals-focused approach, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future deep dives. And let me know in the comments which company you would like me to analyze next. Thank you for watching Northline. I will see you in the next video.